Hello and welcome to Popeye Hill. In this video, we're going to go over the removal of the winter pool cover. This is the second of a series of videos dealing with opening the pool for the swimming season. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be loosen up where the strap and spring assembly is attached to the deck surface. I already started there with a couple. Here's two that are still attached. This is the strap that attaches to the pool cover. This is the spring assembly that attaches the strap over to the deck anchor. So the process today is going to be to disconnect this spring from the deck anchor. I'm going to have to go around and do that one by one. What I'm doing here is I'm using my power drill with the special attachment right here. It goes down into the bolt and the deck anchor. And I'm just going to back that off a little bit. And the reason for that is I want to give it enough play that when I can pull off the spring assembly for each and every one that goes around here. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Now I'm going to remove the spring assembly from the deck anchor. I'll do that now again for all the assemblies all the way around except for one in each corner. I want one in each corner remaining to keep the cover from collapsing in until I'm ready to pull it out. If you look closely now, you'll see that the pool cover has dropped onto the water, the pool surface now. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect the spring assembly from the strap. Yes, I'll have to reattach these in the fall when we close the pool up, but I've been doing this way for some years now and I'm used to it. And the reason for that is it helps me keep account of these things. I store them and you'll see how that is here shortly. And it's also easier to fold up the cover for the summer with these removed. It folds up much nicely and more neatly. So that's my reasoning for doing that. So now we're going to do all the rest of them. The pad is a lot easier on the knees. If you're wondering, yes, it's a good workout. Now I'm going to go around and pick up all the spring assemblies except for those four in the corners. This is how I store the spring assemblies in the plastic covers. So they're all in here. There goes the lid. And I'll store them in the garage. And when next fall comes around, time to close the pool, there they'll be. Now it's time to take the cover off, and today I have my wife, my assistant, give me a hand. Here it goes. Here's the pool cover, all dried out, cleaned off, folded up, and put away in the bag. Bag came with the cover when I got it. So that'll be a wrap until this fall when I take it out of the bag and put it back on the pool. The next thing I want to do before the day's over is take care of these pool anchors so we're not tripping over them. So So what I'm going to do is give a little shot of WD-40 and take them down to flush with the deck surface. And do that all the way around. In the next video, we'll get the pool pump working. Thanks for watching. See you next time here on Popeye Hill.